Today we want to make caterpillar. Take 24 pieces snake cube. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold here. Rotate like this. Now hold here. Rotate like this. Same pattern. We want to repeat 4 times. Rotate. Rotate like this. Hold. Nice one. Rotate. 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 Same pattern we are repeating. Okay. Same pattern. Hold here. Rotate like this. Hold here. Hold it like this. Now 1, 2, 3. Rotate. Hold here. Hold here. Rotate this whole like this. Hold here. Rotate this whole. Same repeat same procedure by holding S1. Hold here. Rotate like this. Hold here. Rotate like this. This is not. Now hold here. Rotate this piece. This is a caterpillar structure.